Reconnecting a touchscreen printer to a wireless network. With the printer on and in a ready state, go to the printer control panel and touch Wireless or the wireless icon. Touch Settings and then touch Restore Network Defaults or Restore Network Settings. If prompted, touch Yes to confirm that you want to restore the default settings. The default network settings are restored. Touch OK. Navigate to the Wireless Setup wizard. From the list of available networks, select your network. If your network is not in the list, touch Enter New Network Name and then enter the network name. Enter your network password and then touch Done. The wireless light on the printer turns solid blue. If the printer does not connect, print a wireless network test report and follow the instructions to assist in connecting your printer.